Just out for a walk with two of the girls. I forgot to charge the collars, so Molly doesn't need one, and there was one kind of charge, so Junko got it. Whoa! Come. Junko, come. Come here, Junk! This is our biggest girl. She's probably about 75 pounds, and she's 1.5, and that's Molly. Molly is roughly 50 pounds. She's the fastest of them all, and she is she's 5. Whoa! Whoa! Molly, come! Yeah, they're great listeners, so. But yeah, first snowfall of the year. That's gonna actually stay. It's probably 25 degrees. And we are gonna just go to the river and have a little walk.